From Revelation down to Genesis, we have seen revelation of who Jesus is. In Genesis, he's the creator and the promised redeemer. In Exodus, he's the Passover lamb. In Leviticus, he's the high priest. In Numbers, he's the water in the desert. In Deuteronomy, he become the curse so that you and I don't have to be a curse. In Joshua, he's a commander of the Lord's army. In Judges, he's a deliverer from injustice. In Ruth, he's a kingsman redeemer. In 1 Samuel, hallelujah, he's all-in-one. He's a prophet and the priest and the king. In 2 Samuel, he's a king of grace and of love. In 1 Kings, he's a ruler greater than King Solomon. In 2 Kings, he is a powerful prophet. In 1 Chronicles, he's the son of David and the coming ruler. Somebody say, I know him for myself. I must bring this thing to a close. But Paul says, when I think about Jesus and I look from Revelation, I look from Genesis down to Revelation, and I see the power of God. He said, oh, that I may know him. He said, I want to know Jesus. I want to know him as my rock. I want to know him as my friend. I want to know him as my deliverer. I want to know him as my healer. I want to know him as my bread of life. I want to know him as the one that opened door. I want to know him as the one who fight my battle. I want to know him as the one who stand up for me. I want to know him as the one who fight for me. I want to know him as the one who pick me up. I want to know him as the one who turn me around. I want to know him as the one who lift up my head. I want to know him.